respected dignitaries, esteemed resource persons, worthy faculty members, and their participants. I am Akhil Taha, an undergrad economics and data science student, and it's my pleasure to serve as the host for today's program. As we come to the conclusion of the 7-day advanced management program, it gives me an immense pleasure to reflect on a week filled with learning, interaction, and intellectual enrichment. Over the past few days, the program has provided a valuable platform to deepen our understanding of contemporary management practices, strategic thinking, and leadership skills. We extend our sincere gratitude to all the resource persons, organizers, and participants for their valuable contribution to the successful conduct of the Advanced Management Development Program on branding and market positioning of local produce in women-led FPOs and SHGs. We are deeply thankful to the Professor S.H. Baba sir, who took their valuable time to be with us for highlighting the growing role of women in entrepreneurship. I also extend my sincere appreciation to Dr. Anand K. Jaiswal, Professor IIM Ahmedabad, for valuing the program's focus on micro-entrepreneurs. The program was enriched by Dr. Nitin Puri, founder Kisan Se, whose sessions on consumer behavior, ethical markets, and segmentation, targeting, and positioning provided practical and strategic insights for women-led FPOs and SHGs. We gratefully acknowledge Mr. Nihad M. Baluch, Group CFO 20 Microns Limited, for his insightful deliberations on value proposition design and case studies for successful women-led brands in India. Our sincere thanks also goes to Dr. Sanjeev Kumar, Senior Scientist, NAM, Hyderabad, for his expert guidance on business plan formulation for FPOs. Dr. Tawheed Amin for highlighting the role of quality interventions and certifications in brand building. And Dr. Abid Sultan for presenting a comprehensive regional perspective on the branding and competitiveness of women-led collective enterprises from the Himalayan region. We are grateful to Professor F.A. Shaheen sir, Head, Institute of Business and Policy Research, for his insightful session and overcoming the value trap through strategic branding, and to Dr. Umar Fayaz Khan, Assistant Professor, Institute of Business and Policy Research, for his valuable input on financial models and government schemes for enterprises. We also acknowledge Dr. Azra Mufti, Business Development Manager, APEDA, for her perspectives on transitions from household farming to organized markets, and Mr. Ofair, Vice President, Kashmir Motors, for emphasizing the importance of market linkage and strategic partnerships. The program was further strengthened by Dr. Rukhsar, founder, Khalis Foods, who shared practical branding insights from a successful women-led food enterprise, and Dr. Alpesh Kumar, Professor NAU, Gujarat, for his comprehensive session. That would be going. The AMTP successfully reinforced the critical role of branding, market positioning, quality assurance, and digital integration in empowering women-led FPOs and SHGs, fostering sustainability, competitiveness, and inclusive economic growth. The active participation, thoughtful decisions, and collaborative spirit shown by all the participants truly made this program a success. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the organizing team for their meticulous planning and dedication, and to all the participants for their enthusiasm and commitment throughout the program. As we conclude, let us carry forward the insights gained here and apply them effectively in our professional and academic pursuits. I hope this program serves as a catalyst for continuous learning and excellence in management. Thank you all, and I wish you every success in your future endeavors. Now, I would like to call upon the co-organizing secretary, Dr. Ubaid Nisar, to give us a brief about the program. Now I would like to call upon the co-organizing secretary, Dr. Umar Fayaz Khan, to give us a brief about the program.
Uh, I guess before I say something, I guess in detail, the anchor of the session has given the whole gist of what we covered in these uh, days. The But it's the duty part of the duty that I have to say what we have covered all of these days. First, I start with I'm very thankful to the chief guest of today, Professor S.H. Baba sir, who has been always a guiding force for us. That he made it sure that out of his so many commitments that he is here for the division activity, and he made it sure that he spares some time for it. For the distinguished guest, Professor Alpesh Kumar sir, we welcome you here in Kashmir. I know it's cold, but you managed to have time. We are not cold by hearts, but what can we will deal with the weather. We welcome you, and the organizer, Dr. Obar, and my faculty, and everybody else. Um, I welcome you all. These all days, we tried that there should be a mindset in a short time duration like 7 days. It's difficult to instill a skill in a person, but we can sort of orient their minds, as we call it motivation. Sometimes people require motivation. It may be through somebody's expert way of dealing, hearing his or her success story, that could create that spark within you. Because if you talk about the history of those all entrepreneurs, you will see that in them there was a that spark that was generated. Either they attended a session, either there was some kind of an event in their lives that caused them to start an enterprise. So all of that uh, can be the reasons for a startup, for building up an enterprise. So uh, uh, in this context, we try to bring in the best people from from different institutions and shared their experiences. We had faculty from top notch institutions, we had resource persons from industry, we had faculty from my own institution, IBPR, and we have also some of the experts that were themselves the entrepreneurs. And I am hopeful that all of this you will take up and try to see how can I incorporate the learnings from this workshop in your day-to-day affairs, in your business. As I said in the beginning when we conducted the inaugural of this session, we see that the chosen lot of ours, the 25 of you, we look at you, the ministry looks at you. That's why they are investing so much in terms of the financial resources, in terms of the other technical resources, and in terms of the agency, the institution, the research, and the project implementation body SCOSK. We are it's a winter time here, and we are mobilizing all our resources on you. It's a challenging times for us because we look out at you. Some of the success stories will come from you. At least we have been able, at least from our side, to instill that confidence in within you, because there were shades, different shades in this program of branding and positioning that you can take away and act in your enterprises. I'm hopeful that this will be a learning for you, and you will carry that spark within you and come out successful in your lives and bring laurels to your family and to the economy of J&K. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I would like to call our guest of honor, Dr. Alpesh Kumar, Professor NAU Gujarat, to give his brief remarks. Brief remarks. 2-3 minutes only. इन्होंने कहा कि आने का।
Very good afternoon to all of you. Respected Baba sir and all the faculty members and dear participants. Actually, we need to talk more in our session.
Sorry.
Okay. The best part of this training program, your MDP program, is that he said very well, to accumulate all the resources in winter in Kashmir is really a challenging job. Really challenging job. People, because you are accumulated with this environment, we are not. Still, that's why I need this one. Is it? Second part, where he said that very rightly, that the sparking is an unimportant. Out of 20, if one is spark, what effort these institutions take a pain to accumulate all of you and accumulate all the resources and all these things, that when we are successful. Only one, I said, I expect that all are going to be spark, but only one, if it is spark and it will scale up, then our all efforts are going to be a successful. Because the topic which I was choosing, that branding and positioning, the toughest part in the business, the toughest part in the business, and very important part in the business. If it is not, then we will not upscale. So all the very best to all of you, and hope you enjoy your training, this training, and wish the training will be very much fruitful to you. Thank you very much to you, and thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you, sir, for these words. Now it would be our pleasure to hear from our chief guest, Professor S.H. Baba, sir. Please, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। एक टीचिंग है आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा। कुंतुम खैरा उम्मतिन उखरिजत लिन्नास तामरून बिल मारूफ तनहौना अनिल मुनकर तुमिनूना बिल्लाह। In this ayat of Quran, Almighty says that you are the best ummah ever created, means best section of the society ever created, and your job is upliftment and reforms of mankind, यानी कि लोगों की बहबूदी। And then it follows, then bid what's right and forbid what's wrong, and this is the direction from our nature.
Yes, sir.
I believe that we have been sitting in few days and next 2 days to come also. Don't expect that we are closing it. Okay, so we have few more lectures to go, and there are every way some takeaways, है ना? I could see that Dr. Ubair has nicely conceived it, nicely arranged it, and under the guidance of Dr. Umar and Dr. Farha and Dr. This, they have been together associated in this program. And I could see the experts have come from academics, experts have come from research, experts have come from national institutions and industries also. And I believe that this was a nice piece of learning for you people. It may have some deficits also, but in future we may be bridging those. Your feedbacks will be coming, and of course we will be taking care of these feedbacks as well. But the main motto of the program will come to its practical form only when you will utilize this kind of knowledge which you have assimilated at this place in your own day-to-day life. And there we can say this is a multiplier effect for that. Once you will start something, then you will provide for the provisions of so many families. You will be an employment providers. So that we say is a sadaqah jariyah. Means you have to do for your own and you have to do for your community, for which otherwise Almighty say that I am responsible, and this is his promise that he will take care of our provisions. Have you seen anybody dying of hunger these days? Hardly no, because everybody's provisions have been taken care of by the nature. But only thing is that our responsibility to think about family and to think about our community. This is the responsibility. So whatever notes you have taken here, I hope that you will propagate in your practical life and in the society. And this way we will also will be doing our own role as entrepreneurs or for the entrepreneurs at our end. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor S.H. Baba, sir, to present a memento for Organizing Secretary Dr. Ubair, sir. ये है ना, ये है ना चेयर पे। Sir, I also request you to present a memento to co-organizing secretary Dr. Omar Fayaz Khan.
This is how our seniors play role. After the recruitment of these guys, he is now senior, and I have seen him mentoring these guys in a way, in a brotherly manner. We had been sitting with him. I could see in previous days कि कोई वक्त नहीं था 7 बजे 8 बजे निकलते थे. So thank you very much for this.
Dr. M.A. Lone. Now I request you to present mementos to faculty coordinators Dr. Rafia Nabi Zargar. Dr. Farah F. Shah. Now I would like your kind self to present mementos to student coordinators Mr. Saqib Arslan. Miss Farkhanda Fatima. Miss Arjuman Shahid Rambu.
And again, this she also was very instrumental.
Student, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि she is very much close to my heart. ये इतनी अच्छी लड़की I cannot explain in words. And I am thinking so much for her. Mr. Jamal, you can advise exactly.
Mr. Mozam Majid, Miss Maria, Miss Akil Taha.
You take Miss Maria's answer. Okay.
Now we would like to present mementos to Miss Baby Nusrat, Deputy Comptroller Divisions, and Dr. Khalid Hussain Butt, Assistant Professor.
Ubair sir will take on behalf of them.
Ubair sir will take on behalf of them. Now I would like to call all the participants for memorabilia in the form of a group photograph. One by one, please come on.
एक एक करके आओ, एक एक ले लो. Come.
आप यहाँ इस तरफ आ जाइए.
Sir, अभी बीच में. फोटो.
मैंने नहीं कहा कि सर्टिफिकेट्स विल बी इशूड ऑन द लास्ट डे।
इसके बाद बोलोगी?
मैम पहले ये ना फीडबैक
हाँ।
सर्टिफिकेट्स।
प्लीज सर्टिफिकेट्स को बोलो that they know that they have to certificate. फिर उसके बाद बोलना है now I would like any participant to voluntarily get up and give
You
his
do.
or her feedback. Please come fast. ठीक।
मैंने कहा now I request participants to please get up and give the feedback. To please voluntarily give your feedback. One more. हाँ I'm absent in the night.
Has everyone taken the photograph? सबने लिया photograph? आपको? ये सब आप कौन है?
अर्जुन नाम लिया।
आ जाओ। चलो आप कराना फोटोग्राफ। फरहान
Now I request participants to please stand up voluntarily and give their feedbacks. Feedback. Yes.
anyone can come voluntarily and give his or her feedback. Anyone? No, one of the participants has to come here and give the feedback. If anyone is comfortable, please. Sir, please take the stage.
अच्छा माइक वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू अस्सलाम वालेकुम वो एक आयत है मल्ला यशकुरुन्नासा फला यशकुरुल्लाह यानी इसका जो ये अर्थ है उसका ये है कि सर जो व्यक्तिगत तौर पे लोगों का शुक्रगुजार नहीं होगा वो रियल में परमेश्वर परम पिता परवरदिगार का शुक्रगुजार बंदा हो नहीं सकता। तो हम जो यहाँ 6 दिन हो गए हमें, 5 दिन हो गए सर यहाँ पे। तो वी आर वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू दिस डिपार्टमेंट। जो हमें लग रहा था कि मतलब इसमें मैं बता रहा हूँ कि हमने तो आई एम बेसिकली, मैं खुद सर पर्सनली मेरा एकेडमिक्स है, मैंने पीएचडी किया है मैंने माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स पे ऊपर, मतलब इकोलॉजिस्ट। लेकिन यहाँ आके मुझे शौक अब हो रहा है कि मैं क्यों ना बीबीए करूँ यहाँ से और एमबीए करूँ इस इंस्टीट्यूट से, क्योंकि मुझे इस मैंने एक दो ट्रेनिंग इस इंस्टीट्यूट में की है, लेकिन जब मैं इस इंस्टीट्यूट की ट्रेनिंग का सुनता हूँ कहीं से भी, सोशल मीडिया से, मैं कहता हूँ कुछ भी हो जाए, नहीं तो मेरे घर पे इतना काम है, इतना मतलब टाइट शेड्यूल है, मैं आ नहीं सकता था। हम दोनों मियाँ भी यहाँ आना था, लेकिन इतना था तो मैं उनके बदले आ गया। मैंने कहा मैं तो कम से कम एक व्यक्ति तो इधर रहेगा और घर पे बाकी काम है तो वो तो चलता रहेगा। तो वेरी मच थैंकफुल या सर। हाँ बहुत। तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि बहुत अच्छा सर यहाँ पे हमें रहा, और हमारे रिसोर्स पर्सन खुसूसन जो हमारे जो 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 इंस्टीट्यूट है, टू बी फ्रैंकली मतलब इसमें कोई बटरिंग नहीं है, फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ हार्ट कह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे जो रिसोर्स पर्सन आते हैं वो बहुत से डायनेमिक होते हैं, मतलब हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। जो हमें मतलब आईआईटी में जाना मतलब ये पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे प्यासों के पास ही समुद्र आ रहा है। तो वी आर वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू दिस डिवीजन, और स्पेशली हमारे बाबा सर, डॉक्टर उमर साहब, डॉक्टर उफेर साहब जिन्होंने, और मैडम लोग, ये सब लोग मतलब सब लोग बड़े कोऑपरेटिव है। एम आई राइट? जो मेरे बात से सहमत है वो हाथ खड़ा करे। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
कोई एक फीमेल पार्टिसिपेंट।
Respected all dignified seniors, dear friends, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. My name is Ulfat Rasul. I am from district of Kupwara. We all of thankful you. So हम आपके शुक्रगुजार बहुत है, क्योंकि हमें बहुत सी सीख यहाँ पर मिली, फैकल्टीज़ भी बहुत अच्छी थी और हमने बहुत कुछ यहाँ पर सीखा, बहुत कुछ सीख कर गए। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to, thank you so much for being here, all. So, first of all, I would like to thank, Mr. Robert, sir. I requested him personally that, I have postponed my travel plan. This is actually, these days are for me, I travel for business purposes outside Kashmir. But, Mr. Abid, Dr. Abid Affair, he recommended me to, participate in this very week-long training period. And then, I was not registered. There, much more hurdles, but I kept following Dr. Ubair. So thank you so much, sir. It is an honor that you provided me chance to participate in this and to meet these young guns, and obviously, the dignitaries like you. I would like to credit you for one thing, that see, I have been attending these seminars and all, for the last decade, we can see all over India, right? But one thing I miss every time there, they give us minute-to-minute schedule in which, the list of program, the speakers is, mentioned always there. So this is the first program that, everything was, in order. कभी भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि क्यों उसकी वजह से वो स्पीकर मतलब बैकआउट किया. So that is, that shows your consistency, behind it. I know there is, so much of hard work and homework behind this. So thank you so much. Also, I would like to, to take this opportunity to thank these guys, because, I know they are just, at the initial stage. I have been in this, startup ecosystem for the last 4-5 years. So meeting such, I can say, guys that who have, so much of passion to attend these programs all over India, there is no talent like this, really. There is something in them. Yeah, so thank you so much. I would like to again thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। माय नेम इज़ हुमैरा आशिक। आप सभी लोग मुझे जानते हैं क्योंकि हमारी इंटरेक्शन 5-6 दिनों से हुई है। और सर आप मुझे जानते हैं, शायद लास्ट ईयर हम आए थे इस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में यहाँ IBPR पे, और तब से अभी तक सीरियसली हम वेट कर रहे थे। हमारे साथ कुछ कॉन्टैक्ट में है, लाइक शाकिर भैया है, मुबीना है और सजाद सर है। रोज़ हम पूछते थे यही एक दूसरे से IBPR पे कब प्रोग्राम होगा, हम साथ में जाएंगे सीरियसली, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। लास्ट ईयर हम इनिशियल स्टेज पे थे जब हम IBPR पे आए, फिर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम किया वहाँ। उस टाइम भी हमें शायद मार्केटिंग के बारे में उन्होंने बताया था कि आप लोग मार्केटिंग कैसे करोगे। उन्हीं से मतलब जो इन्होंने हमें सिखाया था उन्हीं वेज पे हम चले और हमारा बिजनेस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ठीक ठाक रहा। तब से लेकर अभी तक हम वेट कर रहे थे IBPR पे कब फिर से प्रोग्राम होगा और हम फिर से ये यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग करेंगे। मैं खुद एक बिजनेस स्टूडेंट हूँ, मैंने BBA किया, MBA चल रहा है मेरा। सीरियसली स्टडी अब उसमें ध्यान ही नहीं रहा है। मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि मेरा बिजनेस आगे बढ़े और मैं वो जॉब प्रोवाइडर बनूँ, जॉब सीकर ना बनूँ। थैंक यू सर।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून सर। तो मेरा नाम शिबा जहरा है। जैसा कि हमारा इंटरेक्शन पहले भी हो चुका है, पिछले 4-5 दिनों से हम सब साथ हैं और सर के साथ भी इंटरेक्शन हो गया था। तो आई एम वेरी वेरी हाईली थैंकफुल टू दिस डिपार्टमेंट, टू दिस फैकल्टी, कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, कैंटीन स्टाफ, टू एवरीवन, बिकॉज ये जो अपॉर्चुनिटी हमें यहाँ इन्होंने प्रोवाइड की है शायद कोई बाहर नहीं कर पाता, और अगर कोई कर भी पाता तो उसके लिए हमें काफ़ी कुछ स्पेंड करना पड़ता। टाइम तो है ही है, लेकिन शायद हमें मनी और बाकी सारे 6-7 मंथ, शायद 6-7 मंथ्स के बाद सर के साथ शायद इंटरेक्शन हो जाता है, या उमर सर के साथ, उफैर सर के साथ 6-7 मंथ्स के बाद हमारा इंटरेक्शन होता, क्योंकि बाहर ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है जो हमें IBPR डिपार्टमेंट ने दी है। क्योंकि बाहर क्या रहता है कि गोट छू पे वहाँ अकिस मिलून, तम पु बेकिस, तम पु बेकिस, तम पु बेकिस, तब जाके आप सर तक पहुँच सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है। लेकिन जब से मैं ऐसे सेशंस में आई हूँ, बिजनेस में आई हूँ, कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी में जाती हूँ, वहाँ से अल्लाह ताला के करम से और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुझे ऐसे सेशंस में जाके बहुत सुकून मिलता है, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है ऐसे सेशंस में जाके, या ऐसी फैकल्टी से, ऐसे रिसोर्स पर्सन से मिलके बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Anyone else? अच्छा
पूरा वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट लग रही है, एक के बाद एक। इसका सर मैं बताऊं, मुझे इनपुट्स आए, शी बिलोंग्स टू FPO मेंबर SHG। मुझे लास्ट टाइम जब किसी ने बोला इनके साथियों ने कि ये फर्स्ट टाइम है, थोड़ा स्केप्टिक। अब देखो इसकी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल आज स्टेज पर है, इसके लिए राउंड
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, मेरा नाम मुबीना है, मैं लोलाब छीपोरा से हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ इस ट्रस्ट का, मुझे यहाँ से इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है। 2022 में मैं यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग में आई थी, मशरूम कल्टीवेशन। हम 100 लड़कियाँ थी, 100 लड़कियों में से मुझे पता ही नहीं था क्या करना है। मेरी डिग्री उतनी नहीं है, मैंने 12th तक पढ़ा है और मैंने लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल भी की है। शायद आप लोगों ने मेरा वीडियो भी देखा होगा, मशरूम क्वीन ऑफ लोलाब। और मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ डॉक्टर फरहद शाहीन सर का, डॉक्टर बाबा सर का, डॉक्टर आबिद सुल्तान सर का, डॉक्टर उमर सर, उबैर सर, बाकियों का नाम नहीं पता है मुझे। तो इन सब का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे कोई नहीं जानता था। लेकिन जब से मैं इस कास्ट में आई हूँ, मम्मा कसम, पापा की कसम, मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा सुकून मिला है और मेरा नाम बहुत आगे जा चुका है। और आज मैंने मेरा 2 साल से है बिज़नेस, मुझे ना पैकेजिंग के बारे में पता था, मैं ऐसे ही पॉलीथीन में डालती थी मशरूम्स, पिकल्स तो बेचती थी। लेकिन पिछले साल भी मुझे कुछ पता चला, लेबलिंग कैसे करनी है, ब्रांडिंग कैसे करनी है, पैकेजिंग कैसे करनी है और कस्टमर के साथ कैसे फेस आना है, कैसे समझाना है कस्टमर को। लेकिन आज तो मैंने उससे भी ज़्यादा सीखा और मेरे यहाँ पे स्टॉल्स होते हैं, मेरा ब्रांड नेम है शहरयार और मैं मल्टी पे काम करती हूँ। और मैं लास्ट पे भी ये कहना चाहती हूँ, जो आज मैं जो हूँ इस कॉस्ट की वजह से, इसका पूरा क्रेडिट पूरे कॉस्ट को जाता है। बाकी थैंक यू।
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Great.
Thank you all. Now I request Professor Alpesh Kumar to continue his session. Now I request Professor Alpesh Kumar to continue his session. I request Dr. Ubair Nassar sir to give vote of thanks.
To vote of thanks.
A warm good afternoon and assalamu alaikum to all. First of all, I would like to thank Almighty Allah for giving us everyone this opportunity for us to learn, for you to learn, because learning is a continuous process. So you are here, we are here, we are in a mutual agreement that we will learn together and excel together, inshallah. I would like to thank our wealthy Vice Chancellor Saab, who is really visionary, who gave us an opportunity to conduct these sort of a programs. I am really thankful to our head of the department, Farah Shahin sir, our Professor Baba Saab, especially Dr. Umar sir, who has been my right hand throughout the program. So this program actually is not starting from 12th to 18th. We have been since December. From the mid of December till now, we are continuously working on this process, arranging everything, because we have many constraints which Alhamdulillah we have passed successfully. I would like to thank everyone, especially our student coordinators who have been there, Dr. Farah, Dr. Rafia, our Arsalan, our Arjuman, Mozim, Akil Taha, everyone. Because since nowadays it's holidays are going on, we have winter vacation. So with us, they have sacrificed their holidays and they are here to arrange everything from you, from heating till accommodation till food, everything. And one more thing that I am really happy to understand, that most of the resource persons were very happy with your, because most of the times क्या होता है कि when a resource person gives a lecture, he understands his audience. उसको लगता है कि audience are not responsive, so वो अपना line of direction change कर देता है. But most of the resource persons told me that the audience is great, because they have been speaking and you have been vocal all through the sessions. So thank you all for coming here, and inshallah ta'ala we have few more programs like this, like Dr. Baba sir is conducting one more program from 2nd of Feb, I suppose.
3rd Feb to 9th, and it is on export.
Yes, so that flyer has already been circulated. If you wish, we will provide a copy of that to you. If any one of you is interested to join that, he is most welcome. So it will start from 3rd 3rd Feb, inshallah. It's on export. So with heavy heart, I would like to thank all of you once again to come and give us an opportunity to serve you. Thank you so much.
Sir, you continue with the session.